Here's how to access the Launchpad on Binance, step by step. First, open the Binance app or go to Binance.com and log into your account. On the homepage, look at the top menu and scroll to More. On More, let's click on Launch Pool. This is Binance's exclusive platform for new token sales and early investments. You'll now see all active and past projects, including token launches, launch pools, and airdrops. Click on any project to view full details, including how to participate, the token price, staking requirements, and the countdown timer. If it's a launch pool, simply stake BNB, FDUSD, or other supported tokens to farm the new token. For a launchpad sale, follow the step listed, usually holding a certain amount of BNB over a snapshot period to qualify for token allocation. Once the sale is live, commit your tokens, and after the distribution period, the new tokens will automatically be sent to your wallet. And that's how you access and use the Binance Launchpad, a simple way to get early access to promising crypto projects. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.